Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. As always, if you enjoy the content, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. So what I'm going to be doing today is going over what I traded last week, and honestly it's going to be a short video because like I said, I switched up my strategy a little bit, so I'm not trading too much. I'm just selling options, which is makes me an option seller and is a lot less riskier and has a better success rate than buying options. So if you guys go ahead and look at my last video, you guys saw that I had a trade going on at Wells Fargo, and we ended up collecting the full premium on it. What I originally had done, if you go down to the history right here, we sold a covered call for $42. So that means we received the $42 up front and added that to our cash pile. But what we were waiting for was whether or not that call was going to expire worthless or not. And because it did expire worthless, that means that our shares on Wells Fargo were not called away. So that means that tomorrow, when the market opens on Tuesday, I can go ahead and sell another covered call for more premium. And so essentially, my plan is to just keep on selling calls and getting premium and adding to my cash pile until finally, when they do get called away, we're going to get called away for profit either way, because we're going to get the premium from selling the covered call. And because I always sell a covered call that is above my average cost, that means that we're going to get the difference. Usually I've been selling the 25 strike call, so that means that if we did in fact get called away, we would profit $50 because we have 100 shares of Wells Fargo. So I'm also going to be adding a little bit more money into the account because I want to start using that same strategy on Bank of America, because I think banks are extremely undervalued right now. And I'll go ahead and explain that in a separate video that I'll be posting later on in the week. But I think banks are really undervalued, and considering that they have billions and billions on their assets, I think that they are a really, really good buying opportunity right now, especially with the dividend yield right now, because since the price of banks has been dropping, that means their yield is increasing because it now costs less money to be able to get the same amount of percentage from dividends as it did a couple months ago. And so I really wouldn't mind getting assigned on shares of Bank of America because it's a solid stock. And I think that going in the long run, once all this pandemic stuff settles, I think it's going to go higher. And so that's pretty much it for this video. It was just a short, quick trade recap. Tomorrow I'm going to upload a live trading video of how I use the wheel strategy. I know I kind of explained it a little bit in last video, but I think just using that strategy live is going to help make a better understanding for all of you. But that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.